Why
Jamaica
Jamaica
watched us.
ended the Cuban medical
that their
program.
movement in Jamaica was restricted. Their passports were being held on to. Yeah? They could not form certain social relationships here in Jamaica. They were, and I think the word used by George this morning was most appropriate, they were in servitude. That cannot be right. That cannot be right. And there are now many questions for the Jamaican government to answer. When did we know that this was the arrangement that the Cuban doctors and nurses and personnel were being subjected to? When did we know that? And what did we do